Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your files with SendAnywhere easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the SendAnywhere website. Once on the home page, you will see an option to upload files. Click on the Send button to start the transfer process. You can drag and drop your files into the designated area or click to browse your computer for files. Select the files you want to transfer. After you've chosen your files, click on the Send button again. You will see a unique 6-digit key generated for your transfer. Keep this key handy as it will be needed for the recipient to download the files. If you prefer, you can also send files via a link by clicking on the Get Link option. This will create a link that you can share with the recipient. Now, let's talk about how the recipient can download the files. The recipient should open the SendAnywhere website or app. They will see an option to enter the 6-digit key or paste the link you've provided. Once they've entered the key or link, they can click on the Receive button. The files will start downloading to their device. Make sure to let them know to check their download folder. And that's it. You've successfully transferred files using SendAnywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.